Hello beautiful people, welcome to a brand new video where I'm doing my own nails this time. These are all the tools that I'll be needing. I'm using acrylic because that is the system that I know best. The only difference is that I'm going to be using forms and not tips. This is just to make the process easier for me when I'm shaping, and it lays a pretty good foundation with less work and less effort. So I'm gonna dip my brush into monomer and then pick out a bead. With that bead, I'm just sort of going to put the foundations of the first few layers of my nail. I'm carving that out with my brush and I'm sort of putting it into a shape. I'm doing almond this time, so I'm pouring it in a almond shape just to help. And then I'm going to press it on my nail bed for a good minute, just to make sure that it's in that structure and it doesn't loosen or break off. Look at that, that's how it looks. Precisely what we want. I'm just gonna continue to hold it for a good second here. That is the trick, essentially, is to keep it in place for as long as possible while it's drying into my desired shape. This is how I do it again one more time, and this is what I'll be doing for the rest of the nails. It's just easier this way, and I'm not too sure about saving me some time, because to complete a set 2 hours, this was already beyond 2 hours. And I pop it off just so once it's dry, and look at that, such a pretty finish. I'm just gonna fill out where there's some structure missing. I'm gonna try and recreate a nail and just give it some support. Make sure I have a sturdy apex and fix up the nail bed and cuticle area a little bit. This does require a little bit of skill. If you can use acrylic or you use it professionally, this is definitely up your alley. This is just how I do my nails. It's a little bit easier. Now I'm just filing off the excess and the bulk. I want it as thin as possible while still maintaining the shape. Right now I'm just redefining everything, making sure that it's still an almond and I don't lose anything. I'm not too sure really what I want to do, but I know it's going to be a French. This is a cute lilac from Bling Girl, very cute shade, but I think I want something a little bit extra on it. So I'm gonna swatch some shades of chrome and see what I can work with. This is a cute pinkish purple. I'm not too sure where I'm going with this look, but I want pop of color. Might even add some deco just to give it a little pizzazz, something cute. I like this length because I can actually work and do my chores and all the things I need to. It's a cute length. enough to know that, okay, we can see our nails gone, but still good enough to work with. And I love that. I'm just dropping in some pearls, and then I'm gonna clean up my nails a little bit because my cuticle area is looking a little bit too crusty with the excess acrylic on. So I just wash my hands now and I'm lotioning up, especially around my cuticle area. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. If you have any more requests, please let me know in the comment box. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.